Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how to style your African threading. If you've not checked out my previous video on how I achieved this threading style using a very easy method, make sure you do so. The link will be in the description box down below and also will be in the card by the right hand corner. The first style for today is just a space bun, two space bun. These styles are very easy to achieve and they are very cute. All you need is a rubber band to secure the buns and you're good to go. Ensure you've laid down your edges, or if you like, you may not lay down your edges, is optional. Then for the next style is just space buns with two droppings gotten from the space buns right in front. I'll be accessorizing the two portions that I left out by using my silver clips. You can use your hair accessories like cowries, beads, silver or gold pins. You can accessorize to your preferred options. For the third style, I will be leaving everything down, and because of the way I created the patterns for this African threading style, which is the center pattern, is giving me the center pattern DIY FAUX looks that I like. And you can see I just accessorized it by adding more silver pins just to make it pop out. For the fourth style, I'll be wrapping each section around and secure it with a rubber band. I'll repeat the same process for this next portion. I'm just wrapping it away from my face. Then when I'm securing it with a rubber band, I will tuck both portions in just to create a U form at the back. Then you will see how I created this. Do not mind my flyaways. I couldn't see this till I was editing the video. This style is very convenient for outings, class, going on a date with friends, personal occasions, things like that. Very easy. Then the fifth style is just space buns at the front portion of the hair, and at the back portion I will be leaving the back portion down, so it gives me this Jamaican sort of look. I like this style also, but my favorite is still the bridal inspiration. So ensure you do so, and when you do so, ensure to tag me on Instagram at FHBBYPAM. The link will be in the description box down below, so you can connect with me on my social media. The sixth style, I'll be packing the back portion into a ponytail, but I'll be wrapping it all up by creating a donut. Then I'll be leaving two of threading out. So most people leave one, but I prefer to leave two. I don't know, it's just my own preference. You can do yours the way you like it. The last style is just a donut style. I'm just wrapping it all around and securing it with a rubber band. With that, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and like, so that I can know how much you love this video. Check out my previous video and I can't wait to see my next video. Bye.